Artificial intelligence is an arena that is rapidly evolving and becoming more mainstream day by day. Anyone interested in this field has a lot to catch up on at any given point, and the best way to do this is by learning the latest techniques in deep learning. Many applications and tools are available to aid data scientists in this quest to help them implement the tasks as efficiently as possible. Let's discuss some of them today. Welcome to AI Tech Vision, and for this video we'll be talking about deep learning applications and open source tools. But before that, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you get updated on our future uploads. It'll also be nice to give this video a like and share it with your friends. 5 years ago, we would never have imagined deep learning applications to bring us self-driving cars and virtual assistants like Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri. But nowadays, these creations are part of our everyday life. Moreover, deep learning fascinates us with its endless possibilities, such as fraud detection and pixel restoration. Therefore, let's check out some mainstream open source tools and applications that play an important role in implementing deep learning more straightforwardly. Firstly, we'll explore some commonly used deep learning applications, so let's get started. Number 1. Virtual assistants. The most famous application of deep learning is virtual assistants ranging from Alexa to Siri to Google Assistant. Each interaction with these assistants provides an opportunity to learn more about your voice and accent, subsequently providing you a secondary human interaction experience. Virtual assistants use deep learning technology to know more about their subjects, from your dine-out inclinations to your most visited spots or favorite melodies. They learn to understand your commands by assessing natural human language to execute them. Another capability virtual assistants are invested with is to translate your speech to text, make notes for you, and book appointments. Virtual assistants are truly at your beck and call, as they can do everything from running tasks to auto-responding to your particular calls to planning tasks between you and your group members. With deep learning applications like text generation and document summarizations, virtual assistants can help you in creating or sending suitable email copy as well. Number 2. Facial recognition. The iPhone's facial recognition uses deep learning algorithms to identify data points from your face to unlock your mobile phone or spot you in images. Deep learning helps them ensure the phone from unwanted unlocks and making your experience hassle-free even when you've changed your haircut, lost weight, or in poor lighting. Each time you unlock your phone, deep learning uses thousands of data points to make a depth map of your face, and the inbuilt algorithm uses those data to identify if it's you or not. Number 3. Personalization. Every platform is now trying to use chatbots to provide its visitors with personalized experiences with a human touch. Deep learning empowers the efforts of e-commerce giants like Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, etc., providing consistent, personalized experiences in the form of personalized packages and discounts, product recommendations, and identifying monstrous revenue opportunities around the happy season. Even recently in newer markets, it's done by propelling items, offerings, or schemes that are more likely to please the human mind and lead to growth in micro markets. Moreover, online self-service solutions are on the rise, and workflows are making even those services available on the internet. Nowadays, they are only physically available one at a time. Robots specializing in specific errands personalize your experience in real time by showing you the most suited services, whether it's insurance schemes or making custom burgers. Number 4. Natural language processing. Understanding the complexities related to language, whether it's language structure, semantics, expressions, or even sarcasm, is one of the most challenging tasks for people to learn. However, constant training since birth and exposure to different social settings help people create appropriate responses with a personalized form of expression to each scenario. Natural language processing through deep learning is trying to accomplish the same thing by training machines to capture phonetic nuances and frame appropriate responses. Document summarization is broadly being utilized and tested in the legal sphere, making paralegals obsolete. Answering questions, language modeling, classifying text, sentiment analysis, and Twitter analysis at a broader level are all subsets of natural language processing, NLP, where deep learning is gaining power. Number 5. Healthcare. Another sector to have seen huge development and transformation is the healthcare sector. From individual virtual assistants to fitness brands and gears, computers record a lot of information about a person's physiology and mental condition each second. As a result, early detection of diseases and conditions, robotic surgeries, quantitative imaging, and availability of decision support devices for experts are turning out to be game changers in the life sciences, healthcare, and medicine domain. Number 6. Autonomous cars. Uber Artificial Intelligence Labs in Pittsburgh is engaging in some huge work to create autonomous cars a reality for the world. Deep learning, of course, is the guideline behind this initiative for all automotive giants. Trials have started in a few autonomous cars that are learning better with increasing exposure. Deep learning empowers a driverless car to navigate by introducing it to millions of scenarios to create a secure and comfortable ride. Data from sensors, GPS, and geomapping is combined in deep learning to create models that specialize in identifying paths, street signs, and dynamic elements like traffic, congestion, and pedestrians. Number 7. Visual recognition. Convolutional neural networks (CNN) enables digital image processing that can further be isolated into facial recognition, object recognition, etc. In addition, computers can now recognize images using deep learning methodology. Image recognition technology refers to the innovation that's based on advanced image processing technology and utilizes artificial intelligence technology, particularly the machine learning method, to make computers recognize the content in the image. Further applications incorporate coloring black and white images and including sound to silent movies, which has been a really ambitious feat for data scientists and experts in the domain. Okay friends, I hope you're enjoying this video. Then don't forget to subscribe to the channel AI Tech Vision, and if you have no idea about deep learning, check out our previous videos on the intro to deep learning and its basics. Now we're moving towards top open source deep learning tools. Number 1. TensorFlow. One of the best frameworks, TensorFlow is a deep learning tool written in highly optimized C++ and CUDA, and provides an interface to languages like Python and Java. It's an open source library created by the tech giant Google for the smooth running of deep learning applications. TensorFlow makes it simple for beginners and experts to create machine learning models for mobile, web, desktop, and cloud. It is additionally used to form large-scale neural networks with different layers. So, if you need to illuminate deep learning or machine learning problems like classification, perception, understanding, discovery, prediction, and creation, TensorFlow is the best deep learning tool for you. Number 2. Caffe. Caffe is a deep learning tool whose system is built with expression, speed, and measured quality in consideration. It is an additional open-source deep learning tool. Its expressive architecture allows for innovation and application to propagate. Caffe is used in academic research, startup prototypes, large-scale industrial speech, vision, and multimedia applications. Caffe has better performance than TensorFlow by 1.2 to 5 times, based on the internal benchmarking in Facebook. Number 3. Torch. Torch is an efficient open-source program that uses a Lua-JIT scripting language and C or CUDA implementation. If you are using this famous deep learning tool, you'll be able to enjoy its powerful features like slicing, multiple routines for indexing, transposing, fantastic interface to C via Lua-JIT, a neural network. In addition, it offers fast, efficient GPU support and is easily embeddable, making it easier to work with iOS, Android, FPGA. Number 4. Keras. Keras is a high-level neural network API that's able to run on top of TensorFlow. It is written in Python and was created primarily to enable faster experimentation. Keras Deep Learning Library permits the user for easier and faster prototyping, utilizing modularity, minimalism, and simple extensibility. Keras is a deep learning tool that supports recurrent networks and convolutional networks exclusively, and in combination of the two. It moreover supports multi-input and multi-output training. It offers best practices for decreasing cognitive load by offering reliable and simple APIs. Furthermore, it minimizes the number of user actions needed for common use cases and gives clear feedback upon detecting any error. Number 5. DeeplearningKit. DeeplearningKit is an open-source deep learning tool for Apple's iOS, tvOS, OS X, etc. The main idea behind its creation was to support pre-trained models on all the Apple devices with a graphics processing unit, GPU. This deep learning tool is developed in Swift and can be used on device GPU to perform low-latency deep learning calculations. DeeplearningKit supports convolutional neural networks as well. Its vision is to support other deep learning tools like Torch and TensorFlow. Now that you know the open source tools and applications easily available to the novices and trained programmers in the field, get cracking. They speed up your tasks by using these handy open source tools for deep learning to fulfill your tasks according to your requirements. Alright guys, we're just wrapping up today's video. We want to thank you guys for checking out our channel. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions in regards to deep learning, let us know in the comments. We'll be sure to respond to that. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel AI Tech Vision. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!